How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So today I have something a little different to talk about. Okay, here's the deal. If you haven't noticed, I'm short. I'm like 5'4¼ and the Superduty is my everyday driver. And so it makes it kind of tough to reach the seat belt. If you can tell, it kind of tucks in against the back of the seat when I have to move the seat up so far. So it's a challenge for me every morning when I get in to leave for work, and I'm like having to turn around and struggle, and it gets a little stuck like that. I think you could see that, and then put it on. So instead of doing that, we got this. I don't know what it's called, but I'll put it in the description. It puts the seat belt through this on here, and I can reach it much easier. I'll show you how to install it, and I'll show you how it works. So here we go. To install it, we have to take off the headrest. So to take off the headrest, since I'm so short, it pushes it forward, which we already discussed that. So you want to lean the seat back if you have it in a position like I do. I don't think there's enough headroom to actually remove it. Okay, so come with me. Okay, so on here, there's little buttons right here and right here. Hopefully you can see those. So we push those buttons. Okay, so you push the buttons in on each side, and you push up and remove this. Okay, and then you take our new seatbelt extender holder thing, and there's a little slit in it. I don't know if you can see it. There's a little tiny slit right there, and that goes in the bottom side. So you put that down. So you slide those through there, and voila. So now we can put the seat back up. Literally the hardest part is opening this little gap and sliding this in. Okay, so there it is. Once you do that, the seatbelt is free. So let's have a do-over, shall we? Okay, now that's installed. The seat's moving forward. Get in, and voila. I can reach it super easy, no problem, and off we go. So this is great for me, being only 5'4". It's not great for Jason. He is 6'3", and so when he drives, we have to take it out of that because it's uncomfortable. That's kind of the only downfall. And also, he found it for me on Amazon. I think he said it was like $28. It comes with one for both sides. I didn't put it on the passenger side because I'm usually in the driver's seat. But it does come with two if you need to. And I'll put a link to it in the description below as well. And last thing, if you do like our videos and find yourself watching them and find them useful, could you please share it with your friends? Give us a like, hype it, subscribe to our channel. It really encourages us to continue making these videos for you guys. So that would help us out a lot. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye, friends.